Hello guys, welcome to Insecure where ideas are made reality. In this video tutorial, we'll discuss on how to rank a brand new website in less than 1 week. It is quite a very difficult task to rank a website online given this time a whole week, but I will give you guys 5 steps of which if you apply properly, you'll be able to rank your website online. Now, ranking your website online requires a lot of work, which permits Google crawlers to be able to crawl on your website to be able to access data and information from your website. So tip number one for you to apply while ranking your website is choose target set of keywords. Now a keyword is just a phrase of which a user inputs on his or her search browser to search for any particular content, and the content that gets to display are content that are ranking from other people's website of which your website could be part of these ranking websites to rank on. Now, how do you choose a target keyword for your audience? Firstly, you have to understand the type of website of which you have. Understanding the type of website you have now, you have to go to do more research to understand what your competitors are actually ranking for. You can use tools such as Hrefs or H2 Super Tools to understand what keywords your competitors are ranking for by simply inputting their website address and clicking on checking what backlinks they are ranking with, and there you can find series of keywords of which your competitors are ranking for, and then you can go ahead and write blog posts with respect to those keywords. Second on the list, you have to optimize your website optimization requires series of things such as on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO actually relates to how you optimize your pages, your blog posts, your products on your website to actually rank or what viewers actually see about your website. And that is the most interesting part about ranking a website online, because you get to captivate your audience with the type of content of which you have. Proper on-page SEO on your website would actually increase or boost up your visibility or website visibility on Google via search engine. Also goes same for backlinks, but we'll talk about backlinks later on in this video. So the next one is for you to create quality content. Creating quality content for your website is one of the most crucial things that every website should be implementing if they want to rank their website as fast as possible. Most users of the internet, they actually look for what can actually help them despite what can actually bring them down. So if you are a user of the internet or going to search for anything online, you always want to search for data that can actually help you accomplish your specific task. So writing or creating quality content for users or for your website would actually increase your website visibility, thereby ranking your website online. Next on the list is backlinks. Now, we spoke about backlinks, or I mentioned backlinks when I spoke about website optimization. Backlinks are simply how other websites are linked to your website. Search engine optimization, Google crawlers actually crawl through websites, especially when they are linked with other websites. Backlinks build more authority for websites than you can ever imagine. So, for you to be able to improve your website visibility online, you have to be able to understand how backlinks are being created, linking with other websites, and also creating high efficient backlinks for your website. It's actually difficult to create backlinks because there are many companies that might not want to link their websites to yours, but there are several ways. So as I said earlier, you can use Hrefs or H2 Super Tools. Those are literally free and paid tools of which you can use. Just input the website of your competitor and you see the various backlinks of which are linked to their website. You can definitely do check them out, try reaching out to them by their contact emails and asking them simply if that you're willing to write a blog post for them for free if they want. If they give you the tendency to write a blog post, what you simply do is to write a blog post for those websites, and then you create a backlink from their website to your website. And you also do same from your website to their website, such that it builds more authority within this niche. Last on the list is to promote your website. Now, most people actually fail in the virtue of ranking their website when they don't promote what they have on their website. For instance, promoting your website doesn't necessarily mean that you run Google ads or Facebook ads on your website. But website promotion actually relates when you are ready to post whatever content that you have on your website on the internet for other people to see. Promotion can be done via social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. So what you basically have to do is whenever you create a blog post for your website, you just take that same blog post, you create a thumbnail for it, and then you post it over on other social media platforms. This can actually increase engagement and also visitors to your website, as all these kind of draws attention of viewers or visitors or your potential users of your system. As I said, it is actually very difficult to rank your website within 1 week. But if you implement these five main strategies I've just given you here, you will be able to rank your website so fast that you yourself wouldn't imagine. If you want to see more of such content, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a new video. As per said, see you guys in our next tutorial.